Hi genius, welcome to the G Technologies lab. We are discussing about the panel light manufacturing. We are using two type connector, female connector or male connector. Female connector connect to the driver or male connector connect to the body of panel light. Male connector fixed to the screws. Front side of the panel light. MCPCB MCPCB fixed to the screws. Front of the MCPCB used diffuser. Two slave springs used to the panel of the body. This is a driver. Driver connect to the female connector. Driver directly connect to the AC current. How to fix the total body setup of the panel light? Panel light having a two spring slaves. This springs place slaves two notches available. The notches including the springs. Two type of drivers are available in market: original driver or normal driver. Original driver or normal driver using the manufacturer depending on the product quality. This is a normal quality driver used to the panel light. Driver PCB body fixing. More project and ideas. Contact G Technology Lab, Karimnagar.